Oh, about done. And I say I'm about done, and I got me a fish. Welcome back to Live to Fish. And to give you a little bit of context on exactly what's going on in this video, you'd have to understand that I was out there before dawn when there was thunderstorms predicted. And I had checked the radar just before I went out there, and it didn't seem like anything was going to happen. But wouldn't you know it, as soon as I put that UltraSkiff in the water, man, the skies just opened up and the thunder started rumbling. Now, if it was just rain, I probably would have stuck it out. But that lightning, not gonna do it. So I sat there watching the radar, watching the storms kind of develop around me. And yeah, after about 3 hours of sitting in the truck, it finally cleared. The only problem is once that cleared, it also cleared the water for all the boaters to come out. So the recreational boat traffic was absolutely insane on that middle channel. I actually almost got swamped at one point when this guy in the pleasure boat didn't see me and came flying through there. So I hit some areas around the St. Clair River, hit the channel quite a bit, and then I finally just got exhausted. I was tired and I was done for the day. And wouldn't you know it, that's when this happens. And I say I'm about done, and I got me a fish. Hallelujah. Looks like a good one. No. Not what I wanted. All right, first fish of the day, and wouldn't you know it, I'm just trying to get back in the water. All right, come on back. I'll boat flip you this time. Yeah, let some slack out. All right, let's try to get you unhooked. Man, you smell awful. Hang on. All right. There you go. Snot rocket for the day. Thank you very much for stinking up my boat. Ugh. I don't know if I'd call that beating the skunk, because it just kind of made some skunk smell in here. It's been challenging, to say the least. There we go. Got that one. Ooh, that's a bass. Boat flip. Good size, but skinny. Get your feet up here, bud. All right, not a bad bass for the day. So that's one pike, one bass. I'll take it. Hey, not exactly knocking them down out here, but not bad. I'll take it. Thank you. Whoa, self-release. Alrighty. All right, so the bass and the pike were both caught on the same thing. It's a Guggen Kraken craw in the natural color. You got something to say? Come on. What? What? Are you done? I'm trying to run a channel here. Okay, thank you. All right, so as I was saying, this is a Guggen Kraken craw in the natural color. It's a little bit silver with a little bit of green pumpkin and some blue flake in there. Got a 3/16 ounce bullet weight, going a little bit lighter, not much, and a 4/0 EWG hook that is on 12-pound Seaguar fluorocarbon, and again throwing that on the Procaster 80 series, the Daiwa CC80. one on the board. Getting pretty skinny on the daintier side, but heck, I'll take it. Fish is a fish, right? I did get him. Is he still on there? I think he is. Oh my goodness. Little skipper. What in the world? Ooh! Look at that, Sask. What you think about that? Caught me a perch. I ain't no jumbo perch, but... Oh! Whoops. Alright, buddy, come on. Obviously, my perch handling skills could improve. Not bad. See ya. Although, the handling that I gave him is probably better than what he's going to get in the winter with the ice fishermen coming in here. Just think about that for a second. That's right, perch on the Guggen Kraken Craw. Amazing. And a 4-aught hook at that. Pretty cool. Got one. He's probably trying to get away from that music. Good Lord. Whoop. Self-release, but you're in the boat, buddy. Another dink for the day. How's it going? What's up? Yeah, some bass and pike. Oh, thank you. Yeah. Thanks for watching. So yeah, that was pretty cool. I really love seeing you guys out on the water, and thanks for coming up and saying hi when you do. But if you're here and you're new to the channel, please do me a favor. Consider hitting that subscribe button. I would really appreciate the support. And best of all, it's free. Coming up next on Live to Fish are the catches of the week, and that's every Friday, right here, only here on Live to Fish. So if you want to get your submissions in, send it to me right here at the email address down below, or I'll leave the email address down in the video description. This is a great way to get your catches showcased right here in this channel, every Friday on Live to Fish. So until next time, be safe, be well, and as always, live to fish. Take care, everybody.